Hi there, let's do stem stitch today. Now stem stitch is a chain of stitches, alright, where the very first stitch would be longer than the rest of the stitches that you plan to stitch. Okay, so leave a loop here. Alright, leave a loop here and go right somewhere in between these two. Okay, and then come back somewhere in between these two. Say here. Am I right in between? No, thereabout. Okay, then we're just going to pull up. Now, the following stitches can be shorter. Okay, look. So, say this would be your normal stitch length, here to here. Alright, okay, so we're going to go in there. Sorry, so go in there. Alright. Leave this loop and repeat the same method that you did earlier on. Go back to that hole and pull it out. So this is a stem stitch. Okay, let's do a few more. So over here, alright, let's go in. The loop. Okay, leave this loop here. Go back up to that same hole. See? Go back up to the same hole. Alright, keep going. Let's do two more. Leave that loop there and up here to where the same thread was. Okay, now let's do one more. Okay, leave this loop. Let's come back up to the same hole here. Alright, and let's pull this. So this is how a stem stitch looks like.